Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Litecoin from Bitrue to Coinbase in 2025. If you're into cryptocurrency, you know how important it is to move your assets securely between exchanges. Bitrue is a popular platform for trading and staking, while Coinbase is a user-friendly exchange for managing your crypto portfolio. By the end of this video, you'll be able to do this transfer with confidence. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitrue and Coinbase, and that you have some Litecoin in your Bitrue wallet. Also, double-check that you're using the correct network. Litecoin typically uses the Lieutenant Kernel network. Let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Log into your Bitrue account and navigate to the Wallets, or Assets, section. Find your Litecoin balance there. Step 2. Click on Withdraw next to your Litecoin. You'll need to enter the withdrawal details. Before that, head over to Coinbase. Step 3. On Coinbase, go to your Litecoin wallet page. Click on Receive to generate a wallet address. Make sure it's specifically for Litecoin. Copy that address carefully to avoid any mistakes. Step 4. Back on Bitrue, paste the Coinbase wallet address into the Address field. Select the Litecoin network if it's not automatic, and enter the amount you want to send. Remember, there might be network fees, so check those first. Step 5. Review everything. Double-check the address and amount to prevent any losses. Once you're sure, hit Confirm and approve the transaction, probably with 2FA if you have it enabled. Step 6. Wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. You can track it using a blockchain explorer. Finally, once it's done, log back into Coinbase and verify that your Litecoin has arrived. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Litecoin from Bitrue to Coinbase in 2025. Always prioritize security, like using hardware wallets for larger amounts. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.